Thanks, YouTubers. I was recently at Target, and I picked this up. This is not a fake. This is exactly what it appears to be. An Andy Kaufman professional wrestler action figure. And if you don't know who Andy Kaufman is, look him up. I mean, you're watching this, so you're obviously on the internet. Go ahead. I'll wait. That's wrong. That's wrong. Little Goblin? Wait. I clearly do not remember badly having... Okay, have you looked him up? Alright. Now it says here, Andy Kaufman, weight 175 pounds, height 5'10", includes one figure set, warnings, choking hazard. You know, it doesn't really say what accessories he comes with. I mean, some are obvious, but, you might have to open the package.
NRFB!
NRFB.
NRFB. Wait, why would Blackjack care if I open the package? How do we open this? Maybe it is a deadlock seal or something.
Use the red settings.
It hasn't got a red setting. Okay. I think I just suspended Andy's ability to regenerate. Aloha Mora! Song goes, great, it's stuck on Heat Rock. The Lance of Longinus! Ju-O-Ken! Or, alternatively, Form! Blazing! Sword! Okay, enough silliness. Okay, let's see, we got a stretcher. Now let's look at Andy himself. Neck brace with Velcro. Robe appears to be tied with a slip knot. And now, the moment of revelation. Sadly, Andy is not wearing his Intergender Wrestling Championship belt. So, I'm a little disappointed in that. I'm still Andy Kaufman. That answers that question.
Here I come to save the day!
Hello, I am going to do Mr. Archie Bunker.